Hello again, my friends. Today we are going to make confetti cakes, and if you look at the colors around me here, you will see exactly why I have called this confetti. It's just beautiful, all the colors together, and we're going to cook it in a way that retains the beautiful colors. But I'd like to start off with the beans. I have cooked my own white beans, but nothing stops you from using just a normal butter bean in a tin. You drain it off, and this water that you drain off is very useful because it's called aquafaba, and aquafaba is extremely high in protein and will help bind your cake. So please don't throw the aquafaba away. We use it later in the recipe. The beans themselves, you're going to simply mash with a masher, not completely smooth, but you want them broken up so that they mix into the cake. Right, and the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use flax meal. Now I'd like to show you the flax meal, which we make from a simple flax, a linseed, whole seed, and we put it into the blender to make our own flax meal. But you can buy flax meal at health shops or at a Dis-Chem or a pharmacy, Super Spar, and so on. Now flax, this 115 ml of flax meal is what we call one flax egg, and I'm going to mix that in with a measure of aquafaba so that it can bind my cakes a little bit. Right, the next thing I'd like to just point out is I'm going to add garlic to this particular round because I really love the garlic flavor in it. I'm also going to add a teaspoon of Inner Parliament's chicken flavored stock. It looks really lovely. If you really want to be daring, you can add a tablespoon of curry powder and even some chopped green chilies. Will make a huge difference to this recipe. Okay, so we'll put this together and show it to you in a little while. Thank you.